Ever felt cramped or awkward reaching for your touring bike's rear brake? That uncomfortable stretch can turn every ride into a hassle. The Kuryakyn 9643 Girder Extended Brake Pedal promises to change that, giving you more space and a natural, confident braking position that feels right from the first twist of the throttle. I installed this pedal on my Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, and the difference was clear immediately. The pedal extends farther out and sits slightly lower than the stock version, creating a flatter, more ergonomic angle. For riders like me with longer legs, this means less ankle strain and a smoother, more intuitive brake feel. Whether you're cruising the highway or navigating tight turns, the control boost is noticeable and welcome. What really stands out is the pedal's versatility. It accepts the original brake pedal pad or any custom pad designed for the stock setup, so you don't have to compromise your bike's style. Finished in gloss black, it blends perfectly with modern touring bikes, adding a subtle custom touch without shouting for attention. Installation is straightforward. The kit includes the pedal and a cotter pin, and with basic hand tools like hex wrenches and sockets, most riders can handle the swap in under an hour. Once installed, the pedal feels solid and integrated, not like an aftermarket add-on. It's built by Kuryakyn, a trusted name in motorcycle accessories, ensuring quality and durability. This upgrade fits Harley-Davidson touring models without fairing lowers from 2014 to 2019, including Electra Glides, Road Glides, Road Kings, Street Glides, and Trikes. Riders consistently praise how it improves comfort and control, especially for taller riders who need that extra legroom the stock pedal just can't provide. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to enhance your riding comfort and confidence, this extended brake pedal is worth a look. Check the product link in the video description for current pricing and availability. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy a more comfortable ride every time you hit the road.